going on, everybody? Real fast, I hopped in here to give y'all some more Forex talk. Now, this is not going to be part of the Forex talk series. It's just going to be a regular video. I don't know the market today, man. I don't like the way it's moving, man. Just don't. It's one of them days I got to keep my eye on everything. I got to be glued to this chair, man. That's one of the things about Forex, though, right? Some days you got to be glued to this chair if you want to get that working. Anyway, I digress. This is going to be a story about what really motivated me to really get my trading on point, and it's involving another YouTuber. I'm not going to say who it is, but it is a female. I am going to allude to who it is, but it's not a beef, because I want her to see this video and know that she was the reason I got on my shit with this trading. It's a revenge video, but nothing personal. It ain't serious. It ain't negative. I ain't tripping. But so there's this YouTuber on YouTube, Forex trader. She's an African American. I was in her Telegram group, man, and yeah, I was in a Telegram group. This is right around the time when she had just started her channel. And I'm in a lot of people's Telegram groups, by the way. If you're a YouTuber, I don't be sitting in people's groups like that, but I'm in the group. Like, if I want to go click, I could go click and see what's going on in like a lot of these YouTube groups. And this is like when I was thirsty for knowledge and learning trading, right? Well, this chick in particular, because this is the only time I had this experience happen, she had a lot of people in her group, man. I actually was impressed with how fast she grew her YouTube channel and her community. It was impressive. I admired it, actually. But I was trying to, speak to her about trading. I was looking into getting some information from her. Now, by this time, I actually knew how to trade already, so it wasn't like a big deal that this happened. But she did something very nasty to me, man, and I'm gonna talk about this here. So there's this YouTuber. She's African American. I will give a clue to who she is. She is a police officer. And yeah, I was in her group, and she had started giving out classes to students. And I remember I was like, yeah, I learned Forex from a mentor, and I'm glad I'm in this group, and I'm gonna be able to see what I can learn from her. Bro, the next day I came and I was blocked out of her group, and I knew why I got blocked, but I was just shocked. She was selling her own course and her own mentorship. So the fact that I talked about another mentor, I didn't put a link, I didn't say a name. All I did was say the word another mentor, and she blocked me. And I'm gonna be honest, I took that personal for a long time. I said I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to get more subscribers than her. I saw the video she was posting when she was making all this money. I said I'm gonna make more money than her. I'm gonna learn how to trade better than her. I just got so motivated by that hate. I was so upset that she blocked me out of that group for not. It felt like, you know what? I got people in my group now. I'm building my own group, and I got people subscribing to this channel. And I already saw like one or two things I didn't like from people. I ain't blocking nobody. They ain't saying nothing crazy. They not doing nothing crazy. If you posting somebody else's stuff, I get it. If I'm selling something, don't be posting other people's stuff. I completely respect that. But I wasn't trying to pitch nothing, bro. And she blocked me. And I'm not making this video to hate. I'm making this video so you guys could use these type of things as motivation like I did. A lot of people tell me, hey, you killing it. You killing it. You see the live trade in the back. You killing it. I want to thank her because she reminded me of the boss I used to work for. There's people in your life who you come across and you don't get mad. You don't start hating. You use that as a motivation to get on your shit, and you get into beast mode and you tear it down like you're supposed to. And she got me in my shit. I used to see how much trade she was taking on the channel and how much money she's messing. Now I gotta top all that crap. Gotta beat all that crap. And that's what happened. And that's why people go, like, they look at me and go, yo, why, like, well, how you, like, even my mentor, he's like, yo, you just, like, woke up one day and you was just different. I ain't telling this story. I never told nobody this story. This is the first time I'm actually telling anybody this. But yeah, that's what got me on my shit, man. I was like, nah, I'm gonna figure this whole thing out front to back, back to front. Then when I seen she was a scalper, I said, oh, you just scalping. Okay, I know how to do that. I'm a intraday swing scalp, all that. I got all that for you. I got the whole clip for you. So I just want her to know if she ever come across this video, man, thank you though, because that day that you blocked me out that group for nothing, it showed me. I was like, yo, that, to me, that was like some real power hungry shit, man. I was like, yo, people be feeling themselves and tripping like that. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm petty sometimes. This is not like a threat or nothing negative, I promise, because she is a woman at the end of the day. And, you know, I'm not into, like, getting at nobody for them doing what they want to do with their shit. I'm not that kind of person. But I'm petty enough that I was going to book a class, and fly out there just to, like, go, yo, you know you blocked me, right? And then walk out. That's it. That would be put money in her pocket. But I wanted to wait for the right time to reveal this. Yeah, man. Yeah. I want to say her name, but I ain't going to do that because it's not a beef. And I don't even want to turn it into no beef. And I don't want her subscribers coming over here and trying to cancel me and she's a woman and this and that. It ain't that serious. All I'm just saying is that was a big spark that motivated me, because it turned me off from talking to YouTube dudes and content creators that trade, because either they faking the trading or they just straight up and down trying to hustle some bread, or they're fucking arrogant. And I haven't really seen too many that don't fall into one of those categories. Now, I'm not saying everybody on here is like that, but my encounters have been really, really crazy, because I encountered a couple of these YouTubers that trade Forex, and my encounters with them have not been necessarily good. And I get why it may be that way, because they deal with so many people on a basis that they probably, oh, another one of these dudes, what the fuck he want? And I get that. I'm not gonna lie, I get that. But this chick had just started, bro. That's what made it annoying. She just started, just like I just started. And I'm getting subscribers and people hit me up and I'm having conversations and I'm treating them like people, because I remember how I got treated. So when people hit me up, I have conversations with them. I actually reply. I don't sit here and hit you with the heart emoji. I don't hit you with the one word. I conversate. Hey, you know, people, hey, congratulations, thank you, I appreciate that comment, have a good day. I hit you with a whole, I might say more to you than you said to me. Why? Because, man, that's just people. Now, I get it. I get thousands of subscribers. I probably can't do it to every person. I get that. But now, starting out, that's why I'm trying to help people now. I don't have a lot of people to mentor. So right now would be the best time to come to me. People have been asking me for that. I'm working on it. I got some stuff coming for you guys to help you out. But honestly, I wanted to learn all of this shit because of what I went through with this girl, man. It was bad, bro. It was bad. I really took that away. I'm like, yo, why did I get blocked out of this group? And then I seen it happen. It happened 2 times. It happened with her, and then it happened with this rapper dude named Money Man. I got kicked out of his group. So I said, did I get kicked out of his group? I ain't even say nothing and got kicked out of that group. And then I'm starting to realize that this is like a little hustle people got. They really trying to get this money. And I ain't mad. Because I sell stuff too, don't get me wrong, but I don't be forcing it down people's throat, and I don't be sitting up here blocking them because they not spending no money. At the end of the day, I'm grateful if I'm just able to help somebody get some money. I feel good. And people, I don't know if people believe in God properly, but you do realize if you help somebody, right, that's going to come back to you in some blessing somewhere down the line, some shape, form, or fashion. People act like they have to get $1 out of you or it don't mean anything. If I remember somebody, I gave them something for free. I gave it to them. It wasn't free. I gave it to them for free to help them out. I'm not going to get into the details because it ain't about that. But yo, you can't really, I don't know. Being that close-fisted is crazy to me. But I wanted to hop in here, man, to share this video with you guys and let you know, yeah, man, yeah, this is a thing that happened, man. This girl blocked me because I mentioned that I had a mentor already. And if you trade Forex and you had a mentor, some of you may have had more than one. I had the privilege of just having one. I had one in my life. And he actually showed me that a lot of this YouTube stuff was trash. And I used to think he was kind of, at first, I'm going to be honest, I used to think he might have been a little bitter or hating. But then I saw his results. I'm like, yo, I can't even say nothing. The way he trade, they not trading like this on YouTube. And then people say it to me, yo, the way I'm trading, they never seen that before. I'm like, you know what? I get it now. Now that I know what's going on in the YouTube space, people want to be instantly gratified. If you take a trade and you use a stupid lot, 10 lot, you get 5 pips. Man, look how much money you just made. So you can make a thumbnail real quick and put that on there. That looks amazing. People gonna click on it. You monetize that, you can get a couple dollars from that. I ain't mad at that hustle. I ain't mad at that either. I'm not even knocking that hustle. If that's how you gonna get your bread, get your bread. But as far as this trading, y'all not trading like us. Y'all not. And I'm just thankful because that was the motivation behind why I got on my trading like that. I've been bodying that shit like that for that reason. Even my mentor was like, yo, what happened? He was like, yo, you just, he was like, yo, I was worried about you. Then one day you just understood everything. I was like, yo, he didn't understand. I went in a hyperbolic time chamber. I came out that drink like Goku. He was like, what happened? I was like, yo, gravity times 10 me, please. I'll be right back. And yeah, that's what happened. I got on my crap after that girl blocked me, man. And I wanted to wait till the right time to make this video because I was like, yo. And the thumbnail for this video is probably gonna give it away. But I want to be very clear. This is not a hate video to her. This is not like a disrespect video to her. It's not. I promise you it's not. Because I'm not into disrespecting black women. I'm really not. I'm a firm believer in the black woman is the most disrespected person in this country. You know, y'all know who said that. If not, I ain't going to get into politics here. But the bottom line is, I took that a certain kind of way, y'all. Y'all gotta understand, man. That's how I got on it like I got on it. That was the reason. That's what caused it. That's what did it. That's what sparked it all. That's what had me going from KO Ken to Super Saiyan 3. Like, that's what did it for me, man. I came back with the blonde afro like Goku. I'm telling you. Forget the cloud. I'm flying on my own. You know, I came back with the 7-star Dragon Balls. You feel me? So anyway, this video is long enough, man. I hope you guys enjoyed this. And please understand that this is not a beef video. This is not like me trying to get at her. But and at the end of the day, sometimes you got to thank your enemies. Because sometimes your enemies, good enemies, make good competition and it pushes you. So I'm not saying she was an enemy, but I'm saying at the time, yeah, she kind of was, man. She kind of motivated me, man. It's just me keeping it real, just having fun, giving y'all some Forex talk stories. You know, Forex stories is probably what I call this. Yeah, I will do that. Matter of fact, I'll make a new series. We're gonna call this Forex stories. I got the IML where my friend tried to recruit me. She didn't know I was already a trader. I'm gonna make this a series, man. We're gonna call this Forex stories, okay? So yeah, man, if any of y'all had a situation like this with somebody on YouTube, leave it in the comments. I mean, let's try to be respectful. I ain't gonna be deleting no comments either. So if you say something crazy about somebody, that's on them. I ain't deleting no comments in this video. If somebody says something about another YouTuber, let the hate flow. As long as I ain't saying it. As long as it ain't nothing like racist or nothing crazy like trying to hurt somebody or something stupid. Or if it's just an opinion or an experience somebody had, I want to hear from y'all too, because the shit I went through, that shouldn't have happened. And all I did was say I had a mentor, and I went back and I was like, yo, the group was gone. And I wasn't too tech savvy with this Telegram, and this is another reason I hate Telegram. This is when I started realizing if people are on Telegram primarily, you can't trust that. You just can't. Forex and Telegram don't go together well. Most of the people that are on there are scamming some kind of way, or they got some crap going. I'm not saying this girl's a scammer, but they on that bullshit if they on Telegram. I just noticed that. I've been having some weird experiences, man. The Money Man thing, he had a group where he was claiming to give people crypto advice and this and that, and I got in the group, and you had to go through all this crap to get in the group. I got in the group. Someone sent me an invite. I know a few people. I got invited in, and I thought it was honestly, I'm gonna keep it real. And this is not hate. It's just my honest opinion. I thought the group was full of crap, because if you're a Forex trader, everything that they're saying in there, you kind of already know that. So what they were saying in that group was like real basic knowledge and shit. It was extremely basic. So it was like, yeah, you guys in here just started trading yesterday, right? Y'all trading crypto and all that. There was some traders in there, but even the traders that went in there were like, they were like serious traders. It was just like, these are guys that's trying to like be cool with it and trying to do the whole. They were trying to do the lifestyle crap. They were like into the more, I want to pretend like this is how I'm getting it, or I'm getting it from this and that. And look, just trade, man. Don't be trying to look like you trading, just trade. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, man. Like I said, I'm gonna end this for like the 5th time. I keep doing this in all the videos that I make, but let me know what you guys went through with these YouTube traders and stuff, man, because there's some cool ones out there. And you know, I'm not gonna try to differentiate the cool ones from the bad ones. I haven't had encounters with everybody, but the few that I had encountered, like I actually spoke to and I dealt with, it wasn't cool, man. It made me realize that y'all gotta be careful, like I said, because if these people, you knew these people how they really were that y'all be looking up to, you might feel different, man. Because I'm telling you, I see some of the groups where they be talking about, oh, I met this guy and this YouTuber, and I'm like, you know, they be having conventions where you can meet these people and things like that, or there's places you could run into them, and when you run into them, man, I don't know, they're people just like you. Let's just put it like that. And I've been through this enough times to know that you can't really, you know, put people on pedestals. But this girl, man, when she blocked me like that, I was like, excuse me? I felt like she thought I was a nobody, and she blocked me because of it. And I'm like, nah. And I'm gonna be honest, the names that I use in these groups, completely trollish. Like, it ain't nothing disrespectful, but it ain't you would never know that's me if you saw the account that I used. You wouldn't know that's me. You wouldn't. You just wouldn't. You wouldn't know that's me. So I get that. I get that part. But nah. But I'm thankful for that though, because like I said, that really put me in a hyperbolic trading time chamber, and I came out of that thing ready to, man. I came out of the thing ready to get 100 pips a minute, and it worked. But I'm out of here, guys. Let me leave this video here. Like I said, leave your comments in the comment section. Do join the Discord, it's free. And just know that I got some stuff coming very soon. I'll make a video updating you guys. You know, I got some good stuff coming. A lot of people ask me, how do I get these big trades? This trade right here going up 30 pips. I let this trade go live while I was talking to you, by the way, so you guys can see this. Dude, this is real. You know, this is real trading going on, okay? So yeah, guys, that's it, man. I'm out of here. I'm gonna have to re-edit this video and block out the that name at the top, because I don't want people Googling that, trying to get it and all that, because you're not gonna be able to get this unless you get it from me, the sofa you see in the back. But anyway, I'm out of here, guys. Peace.